Last year, the California Department of Water Resources, with the help of other agencies and experts, came up with an extensive risk analysis of the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta. The conclusion was that there was a 62% probability that an earthquake of magnitude 6.7 or greater would happen in the vicinity of the Delta region sometime between now and 2032. Such a quake would likely cause multiple island levee failures. This animation shows what happens when 20 Delta islands that are below the level of the water are no longer protected by the levees that surround them. The water in the Delta would come rushing in. As we pull back and take a broader look at the Delta region, this shows how multiple levee failures on multiple islands would cause a sudden migration of water from the Delta to fill these island bowls. This surge of water onto the islands creates a void of sorts that new water would fill. That water would initially come from the west, the saltier water from San Francisco Bay. This salt water would migrate eastward twice a day with the pulses of the tide, until a new equilibrium is reached. In this simulation, the fresh water is illustrated in blue, saltier water in red. The only region of fresh blue water in the southern delta is the forebay for the State Water Project. This simulation assumes that the gates of the forebay are closed, but were they to open to divert new supplies, the salt water would come in. The delta would become an undrinkable source of water supply for more than 25 million Californians until levee repairs are made and dam releases upstream can push westward the saline water, a process that would easily take many months. As an ecosystem, the delta would be changed forever, with open water habitat replacing the land-water connection that provides food and life for the estuary.